Welcome to EDU World Space.
Again, we have a thin uniform sheet of metal that's cut so that we have essentially a rectangle here with a triangle cut out of it. And we're given all the dimensions and a bunch of different axes. And we want to figure out what the mass moment is with respect to the x-axis, this one here, and the y-axis. So this first part of the problem is pretty simple. In the second, in problem 16, we're going to start looking at these other axes. So again, we can just use find the area moments. Find the area moment about x and about z, and that will give us the one about y, or the polar area moment. So to do that, we just need to subtract things. Okay, so we have, if we just look at half of this, because then we have twice the symmetry, we can multiply it by 2. So about this axis here, and then this is a square. So about this axis we have 1/3 a to the 4th is the area moment about that axis. And for this triangle piece, we have 1/12, and then this is a over 2 times a cubed. So we need to subtract that off because we've cut this out. And then we can figure out the area is twice a cubed, or a squared, minus a squared over 4. If we simplify that, we get 7/12 a to the 4th, and then this gives us 3/2 a squared. The area moment about this, or the mass moment about this axis, is the area moment times the areal density, or m over a. And we have a, and we have this, and we can just plug everything in, and we get 7 over 18 ma squared. Now, to get the mass moment about this axis, we need to find it about this axis, so then we can get the polar area moment about that point. And this is, again, we can look at this as a rectangle and then a triangle cut out. So we have 1/3 2a times a cubed, or 2a to the 4th, minus 1/12 times 2a times a over 2 cubed, and that gives us 31 over 48 a to the 4th. Now, it's fairly easy to figure out that about the, again, we can get the mass moment about the z-axis, okay, using this and this, and we wind up with 31 over 72 ma squared, okay, which is just that simplified. And then jyy is jxx plus jzz, and if we add those up, we get 59 over 72 ma squared.